The effects of water pollution on the bottlenose dolphins in the Swan River. Intelligent, beautiful, friendly, and graceful are a few words that are commonly used to describe these creatures. The bottlenose dolphin roughly weighs 135 to 635 kilograms, grows to the length of 2 to 4 meters long, and is light grey to black in appearance. The lifespan of these species of dolphins is around 40 to 50 years, and the sexual maturity is from 5 to 14 years, although this varies according to the population. Their main source of food is fish and squid. In 2009, there was an increase in the deaths due to pollutant-borne diseases and injuries, causing death of the bottlenose dolphin in the Swan River, located in Perth, Western Australia. The mortality rate of the bottlenose dolphin species residing in the Swan River unexpectedly skyrocketed from 1 or 2 occasional deaths from old age to a whopping 6 dolphin deaths in 2009. Water pollution is the contamination of water in rivers, dams, and oceans by a range of industrial, agricultural, and urban sources releasing pollutants into the river systems. It becomes a problem when species are unable to sustain the healthy living conditions due to the negative impact of pollutants in the water. An environmental issue that, if untreated, will eventually result in endangering or even the extinction of marine species due to diseases caused by growing bacteria, fungus, and malnutrition. At the same time, it impacts other sea animals of the Swan River and the surrounding Indian Ocean due to the food chain, potentially transmitting these fatal diseases from species to species. In 2009, there were a total of 36 dolphins accounted, 16 of which were occasional visitors distinguished through tracking methods. Bottlenose dolphins are able to control contaminants in their body when there is a high level of contamination in the water. They also contribute to the ecosystem by controlling populations of fish and squid by consuming such a wide variety. Dolphins are loved by humans for many reasons, such as their ability to interact intelligently and being able to safely swim with them. As a result, activities involving dolphins are a high tourism attraction in Australia. In 2008, whale and dolphin watching tourism was worth $31 million to the Australian economy, whilst 1.6 million tourists participated in this activity each year. If left unimproved, it can also impact another sustainability issue that will affect humans firsthand due to its nature of negatively impacting the food source of seafood. With humans relying heavily on seafood for nutrients such as omega-3 known to reduce the risk of health problems such as heart disease. It can be as simple as disposing of our rubbish correctly at home and in public using the provided bins from your local council and ensuring that fishing lines and hooks are cleared from our waterways. There are also government-funded organisations such as the Swan River Trust, River Guardians and Conservation Council of Western Australia, who aim to conserve healthy living conditions for sea animals and care for the overall state of the Swan River, whether it be by the implementation of water quality improvement plans by the Swan River Trust, or by educating the community on how we can prevent or reduce water pollution. For example, River Guardians provide the public with a number of projects that enable individuals and in groups to learn ways in which they can act in favour of the Swan River and its residents. These projects include Dolphin Watch, fishing line disposal units, phosphorus awareness, and river-wise gardening.